"Cock-a-doodle-doo, I'm here," said the rooster Hummingbird. Hummingbird the rooster was red-haired. His outfit was of beautiful plumage. "Cock-a-doodle-doo, get up, farmer, for the sun is already on its way." "Cock-a-doodle-doo, get up, laborer. Wake up with joy, for the day is coming." "Cock-a-doodle-doo, children of the village. Wake up with the ole, for they are waiting for you at school." The village doesn't need a clock. The rooster's alarm clock is enough.